Tonight menu: shrimp, fish, spaghetti. So don't come for me of how I cook my shrimp, and don't come for me how I cook my fish, and do not come for me how I'm finna cook my spaghettis and how I'm gonna do it. Okay? Okay, let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so now I'm finna put these shrimps, season these shrimps. Don't come for me about how much season I'm using. Okay? Because this stuff is going in the oven. And me, I like to taste my food. So if I'm not tasting my food, which meaning I like to taste my season. And if I'm not tasting my season, y'all, I'll be mad. Because I like to taste my food. And if I'm not tasting that stuff, like I said, I'm mad. So, and when I put the food in the oven, I don't never like, it feel like I put not that much season up on it. If you know, you know. Not too much spice. But yeah. I gotta open this other one. Because apparently this is a new bottle. It don't look much like a lot of season that I use, but yeah. So now I'm finna pop these babies in the oven. Go ahead and add the butter in it. And then pop these babies in the oven. So I had already washed the shrimp before y'all say something. And I just used that box, that thing that they had put the shrimps in to you know, season it and everything. And I do not like fried shrimp. I don't like to crunch it. I don't like the crunch. I like my shrimp to be boiled. I do not like fried, so that's why I'm boiling some shrimp. Or you can say bake, however you want to, whatever way you prefer it. But I do not like fried shrimp. Look at me, man. Okay, so I got my fish seasoned good. Now my spaghetti is done. But let's look at the shrimp real quick. Let me look at the shrimp. Oh, Lord, yeah. Y'all, don't worry about me. I'm kind of fat. 1 month away, November the 14th. Need to come. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Yeah. They looking good. So, my husband like that type of fish. And I like catfish. And, yeah, so that's how we gonna do it. I'm gonna season my fish because my husband don't like his fish seasoned. And I know everybody be like, well, the season is in the batter. But, like I said, I like to taste it. And I don't taste it in my batter. So, let's start seasoning. Oh, Lord, my back hurting me. With my fish, let's just go mix it all in. I don't think I'm gonna eat 3 of them, but I'm gonna just go ahead and season. Sometimes when I open food and I know it's gonna be too much, I like to go ahead and, you know, wash it and season it and put it in a Ziploc bag. Cause dealing with 1-year-old, yeah, it's kind of hard to, you know, well, this one, since I'm pregnant, because he like to be up under me, it's kind of hard for me to wash, you know, actually wash chicken off and stuff like that, because I ain't gonna put too much spice, because Cash like to eat some too. So yeah, when I have this open, he like to run up in here. Yeah, he don't like the camera, y'all, so wait, never mind. Look, he like to touch the oven. See, that's another reason. Like, it's kind of hard. But yeah, look at them. They're looking good and juicy. Look, fork can go right up in it, so they nice and tender. I don't know y'all saw that, but yeah, they nice and tender. Oh, they so good. Let me hear your closing for Cash. Come over here and touch the oven, because that's what he do. I hate flies. Like, why we got a fly in his house? Anyway, I had to take one out just to taste it. Y'all know what? I really need to add some more season to it. But I'm not going to do it. Because sometimes, y'all, when I was pregnant with Cash, I ain't taste like a lick of seasoning. So I was over seasoning a lot. And I made it salty. So even though it tastes like it needs more seasoning, I'm not going to add none. But let's see what my husband thinks. But right now, girl, it's fine. Okay, ground beef is done. Usually I make my sauce in a separate pan, but Cash is hollering for no reason. Okay, so let me season the sauce using this Italian spaghetti season. Y'all, I gotta stop. Go pick up my husband. Cause he, ooh, I'm blocking the view. Yeah, so I gotta stop cooking. But the only thing I got left is just to cook is the fish. I think the grease needs to be cleaned out. That's what I think. So that's what I'm gonna do. Make sure I don't put too much paprika or this Cajun season, cause he don't like spicy food. Y'all, he from Louisiana, but he don't like spicy food. Let me stop, cause there might be a lot of people that's from Louisiana that don't like, you know, spicy food. But I'm sure not measuring. Okay, so y'all, it's seasoned. I'm gonna stir this up. Make sure the oven and everything is off before I go get them. I got Cash little meatballs right here. So yeah, so far I've been clinking up while I'm cooking. But yeah, I'm gonna stir this up and I'll get y'all back when I cook the fish. Cookies for me. Fish and cooking. It's in the batter. Oh, his fish done. It's cooking.
I mean, you gotta have a conversation, boy, about you stopping. Stop! You little crazy.
Food. Got his garlic bread, meatballs, spaghetti. This is the meal. Yeah. Cash know what's up. Oh, it's so good. I just have to record myself. Trying. Ooh. So fine. I'm not dry or nothing. So tender. Perfect.